So you want to become a millionaire.
Why do you want to become a millionaire? Oh, you want to know how to become a millionaire.
Good question.
Let's begin, shall we?
You could invest and can create lots of wealth over time. Keep in mind that investing can come with risk, and this video is for educational purposes only. The best part about investing into assets like your 401k and RRSP is that your wealth compounds over time. Your money goes to work for you in the market. This method can be one of the safest ways to become a millionaire, but can also take decades to achieve if you do not have a lot of money up front.
You could also start a successful business. The time frame here is ridiculously broad. I'm sure you've heard of the lucky ones who start a business with $50 in their university dorm and then drop out because they get rich so dang quick. Or you can be like the other 99% of the world. Because according to pretty much almost every source, 99% of businesses fail within the first year. So it could take you years to build a business. You might even have to build multiple different businesses to find the right one that is profitable, let alone profitable enough to make you financially free. You can pay off your debt, a really simple one to be honest. But debt acquires interest over time, and it becomes a spiraling disaster if not taken care of in a timely manner. Typically, paying off debt quickly results in a healthier financial portfolio in the long run.
You could live below your means. You should never be spending more money than you make. It's how you create debt. Try to lower your expenses where you can, so you can put more of your income towards income-generating activities like investing. Make a budget and stick to it. Limit your spending, make a goal for yourself, and put that extra money to good use. Your income should always be greater than your expenses. Take a look at our monthly budget sheets linked below. You could also start learning a new skill. This one would be great if you had a lot of free time and perhaps you maybe want to start a business. Learning a high-income skill can open doors to a lot of opportunities beyond monetary compensation. I'm sure you are all aware, since you are watching this video, that there are a lot of free ways to become educated on a certain topic. I can think of an endless list on skills that you can learn and monetize, like coding, marketing, editing, accounting, graphic design. The list goes on. You can watch YouTube videos, read articles, TikToks, and Instagram are some of the free ones. I think this one typically requires a lot of time, because who knows how long it will take you to learn how to code well enough to either start your own business, freelance, or be hired by a successful company that is willing to pay you to demonstrate your newfound skills. Mastering a high-income skill does seem like a very sturdy path to creating a successful portfolio. And if you enjoy doing that skill, then you'll have a fulfilling career as well. The best piece of advice we received while creating this video for you is that financial literacy is essential if you want to keep the money you earn. This is not financial advice, and you should do research and consult an educated professional before making any major decisions. Check out the links down below for some of our financial resources.